Picture crispy, tender chicken pieces coated in a crunchy panko breadcrumbs, mingling with crisp romaine lettuce, Parmesan cheese, and a drizzle of homemade Caesar dressing. Set up a dredging station using 3 shallow dishes, like a pie plate. You're going to have a cornstarch station, an egg station, and the final station is the panko station. I like to gently use my fingers to press the panko into the chicken cutlet. That just makes sure you get really great coverage. Heat about 2 tablespoons oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Place the panko-covered chicken in the skillet and cook until it's golden brown. Next up is to toss the lettuce and the croutons with that creamy salad dressing. This is my mother's recipe that is loved by all the grandkids. Be sure to check it out on ourtablefor2.com. Warm the flour tortilla in the microwave, then put a layer down the center of the flour tortilla. Fold in the sides about 2 inches, then pull up the top so that it covers the filling completely. Then roll the tortilla, tucking in the sides as you go. You can serve it whole or you can give it a slice. I have to give a shout out to my son. When he was home, this inspiration for this recipe came from him. We had a lot of fun making it. Be sure to check out other recipes on ourtablefor2.com and please, please, please subscribe below. Thanks a lot.